Hi, I am Deepak, a professional WordPress developer. I have 6 years of experience in web development. I design, develop and recreate websites. Do you need a website, web application, search engine optimization? Or are you looking to enhance your online presence? So, let's simplify the problem. You need a website that will make your business work effectively online. So we are here to achieve that. Here, we will design and develop your website to help you reach your clients using the latest technology that will be chosen according to your needs. Designs that will engage your customers in the proper way. We are not only providing advanced SEO techniques, social media integration, and free back-end support with this gig, but we are also providing free modifications and changes even after your order is completed. We have completed 300 plus websites here on Fiverr.com with all 5-star reviews. So contact us today. This is an exclusive offer on Fiverr.